Congratulations, you are now ready to place the order for your Facebook ad and really have your ad run live on Facebook. Before you go ahead and do that, there's one important step to do, and that is to come down and review your order and make sure everything is in place and as you want it to be. So just click on the review order button, and now you will see the ad that you are creating broken down by the 3 different levels. So the campaign level, ad set, and the ads level. And just to quickly recap on this for myself, you can see the campaign objective is traffic, so make sure that's as you want it to be. Your ad set then is where you defined your audience and placements and budgets and schedule, so make sure that's everything in place. Then we went down to the ad level, and you can see that I'm testing 2 different images. They're coming up here, and I can see the headline and the text that is going to show up, which is perfect and exactly as I wanted it to be. Now, at this stage, it could be a good idea to get a colleague or a friend just to review your campaign to see what they think, particularly about maybe the ads and how they appear. And then once you're satisfied with that, just go ahead and place the order. Now, remember that once you place your order, your ad will go into the ad review process. If everything is okay, then your ad should go live very quickly. You can see mine is in review now. It should be approved quickly, and at the latest should be approved within 24 hours. And if there is anything you need to change about your campaign, you will get a notification by email, and you can make those small changes and publish and go ahead and put your ad live. So well done on completing your first Facebook ad and getting to this step. Go ahead and place your order now.